Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have my February BOXYCHARM. So this month the theme is Afterglow and the first product that I have in here is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is a cult favorite, been around forever. L'Oreal has a dupe for it that I had for a long time. It's a great mascara. I have it on today and I like the formula. It's on the thicker side and it has that hourglass kind of wand right there. It's a great mascara. I like it, absolutely. Nothing bad to say about that. Okay, the next thing is from Pretty Vulgar. I feel like we get so many Pretty Vulgar products in our BOXYCHARMs. Is it just me? Is it you guys? Anyway, I do like Pretty Vulgar. Their packaging is always super cute and their products are often very good, but not always. I have a hard time opening this for some reason. Oh, there it goes. Okay. It's a really pretty shade. It's almost like a peachy tone and you can see like, I don't know, it's really lovely. I do like the color of it. I do have it on today. I don't know if you can see it shimmering. It's another one of those like highly pigmented type of highlighters where you get a lot of color, not just shimmer on your cheeks. So I feel like with things like this, I need to make sure that I mix it in with my blush a little bit more just so that it doesn't give me that weird like pale cheek thing going on. That's often an issue with highlighters, is that people don't realize you're making yourself look really pale by putting too much highlighter on, and so you just have to make sure that you have plenty of blush. But I do really like it so far, so I'm happy with that. And then the next thing is from Touch in Sol. I don't think I actually have anything from Touch in Sol. This is their No Poreblem primer, and it is one of those silicone-based, very smoothing type of a primers. I'm not a big fan. I did use this twice and I feel like it's good for what it is. It's just not my particular favorite type of primer. So it's one of those things that I will pass along to a friend. The next thing is from a company called Tula, another company that I hadn't heard of before. These are probiotic skincare bright all night energizing sheet masks and they gave us 4 sheet masks in total. And it looks like a freaking disco ball. I saved this, I did my sheet mask, but I had to save this because how funny is this sheet mask? It's like, looks like fish scales. I had it on and my husband walks in and he's like, oh, hello, bright, shiny face. I really did like it though. I used it before I went to a party. You know, I touched up my blue, did my nails, had my face mask on. I was getting all ready for my friend Hope's 40th birthday party. And I loved it. I thought that it was wonderful. It did make my face feel plumped and smooth and bright and healthy, you know, all of those good things. So I was really happy with the results and it was a fun mask to actually have on. And then the last thing I have is from Smashbox. This is one of their always on liquid lipsticks. And this one is in the color Throwback Jam. This is what I have on my lips right now. It's funny because the only other one of these that I have is a very similar color. I can't remember the name of it. I think it's like Dance Party or something. And it's the same kind of fuchsia shade, but I think it's a tad bit lighter. So anyway, it was sort of funny that I got a very similar shade, but I do love it. I wore it yesterday and got several compliments. So it's, the formula on this is definitely more on the dry side, like when it comes out. You may even be able to tell on the wand, the formula, I mean, it almost looks kind of cakey. So when you're putting it on, it definitely feels dry, but it also has a creaminess to it. And right now I've had it on for a while and like I said, I wore it all night last night and it feels fairly comfortable. I mean, it definitely doesn't feel like a lip balm, but it feels fairly comfortable and it stays all night and it stained my lips. Even after doing a lip scrub, my lips were still pink this morning. So just, you know, something to be aware of. It lasts for freaking ever. I mean, I was eating, drinking, talking, and it was on my lips all night. It does transfer after you eat, you know, especially if you get like some oils or something on it. Like I had a salad and then when I kissed June, it was like pink all over her face. Before that, it did not transfer. So let's say like, yeah, didn't transfer at all right now, but if I were to eat something, I would still have it on and it would transfer and it would like never go away, you know, but it didn't smear all over my face, which was nice too. So I do really like the formula on these and I think the color is just gorgeous. It's beautiful, it's bright, it's fun. I love it. So anyway, that is my BoxyCharm. Let me know what you got in your box this month and what you thought of everything. I always love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!